Ben Gurion University of the Negev is one of the leading research universities in Israel and in many areas in the world. BGU's engineering division is responsible for the planning, development, and construction on all campuses. In addition, the division is responsible for ongoing maintenance, running the electromechanical systems, and building laboratories for new and talented researchers joining the university. In addition to these duties, for the past 5 years, the engineering division has been hard at work planning and building a new campus on an area north of the Marcus Family Campus called the North Campus. Marcus Family Campus. One of the projects completed in recent years was the Schusterman Gate of Knowledge, built in 2018, serving as the main entrance gate to the university. The Guzik Family Building for Biotechnology Engineering, approximately 7,300 square meters, was completed in 2017 with a total budget of approximately 90 million shekels. The building now houses teaching and research laboratories, offices, student rooms, seminar and conference rooms. The Medical Simulation and Classroom Building includes a simulation teaching center, the Field Family Foundation Medical Simulation Center for the Faculty of Health Sciences, and a wing of teaching classrooms. This 4-story building will be 5,200 square meters and includes medical practice rooms, a trauma treatment simulation room, an ambulance room, offices, teaching classrooms, auditoriums, etc. The building will be opened at the end of 2021. The Lori I. Low-Key Chemistry Building, 6,300 square meters in size, is budgeted at approximately 103 million shekels and houses some of the most advanced modern laboratories in Israel, including over 90 fume hoods, rooms for laboratory equipment, etc. East Square. This green space between buildings will serve as a venue for various university events. The dormitory complex for research students, with 129 one- or two-bedroom apartments for research students and their families, was opened in early 2019. The North Campus will be built on an area of 230 dunam to house research buildings, including laboratories and offices, a conference center, a cyber center, greenhouses, a computer sciences building, classroom buildings, an energy center, and student dormitories, as well as lawns and social spaces. The construction of the North Campus will double the university's area and considerably increase BGU activity in a variety of areas. The first projects to be built on the North Campus will be the Student Village, the Energy Center, service tunnels, the Computer Sciences Building, Laser Institute for Homeland Security Building, an Entrepreneurship and Innovation and Classroom Building, a Construction Engineering Building, and an International Conference Center. North Campus Development. The area both above and below ground is now being prepared for future construction and the installation of infrastructure such as water, electricity, sewage, drainage, roads, sidewalks, bicycle trails, gardening, etc. These development projects are estimated at 70 million shekels. The Student Village is a sophisticated modern living compound to include 14 buildings with a total of 1,000 beds in 580 housing units. This living compound will be equipped with all modern services required by students, such as study rooms, laundry rooms, activity centers, yards with gardens, and a commercial strip to serve the dormitories, the university, and the city of Beersheba. The Student Village will open on October 2021. The budget is estimated at 268 million shekels. Computer Sciences Building. BGU's high-tech studies, led by the Department of Computer Sciences, are expected to expand dramatically in coming years as a result of foreseen growth in this field and the IDF transfer to the Negev, in which the university plays an active role. The Glazer Institute for Homeland Security Building will respond to HLS needs and house sophisticated research laboratories in various fields. The building will include dry and wet laboratories, clean rooms, remote sensing and autonomous robotics laboratories, quantum laboratories, offices for faculty members, etc. The building will be opened at the end of 2024. The Entrepreneurship and Innovation Building will house classrooms for the Innovation and Entrepreneurship Center, auditoriums, and self-study rooms, alongside commercial areas and restaurants. The Energy Center, with an infrastructure tunnel of 1 kilometer in length, will span a total area of approximately 6,000 meters and is budgeted at approximately 100 million shekels. The building will be opened on October 2023. New International Conference Center building. This building will combine a conference center with lecture halls, music hall, and visitor center. The Sde Boker campus. The Cindy and Max Mintzberg Ben-Gurion Research Institute for the Study of Israel and Zionism building and the Cindy and Max Mintzberg Archives building, now under construction, will respond to all needs of the Ben-Gurion Research Institute for the Study of Israel and Zionism. The Engineering Division works around the clock, 365 days a year, in order to maintain all systems and buildings, make needed improvements, and proceed with construction of all new buildings on the various campuses.